Right, next build. Next build is the part 2 of the first build I did with the spaceship, if that makes sense. Probably not right now, but it will do in video 3, hopefully. Okay, so this next one is just a city build, and this is called Penguin Slushy Van. I kind of like it, like the penguin, the characters, the two minifigs. I love the van and the slushy drink container on the top of the roof. It's very cool. It's got a couple of play features where you can open up the side as it shows on here. So that's nice. So yeah, this is the next one, and that's the side of the box. I bought 2 of these and 2 of the spaceships. It will all become clear maybe one day if it works what I want to do. So this is actually only 194 pieces and 5 plus, so I should have even less trouble than I had with the last one. Here's the description, official description. Hooray, the Penguin Slushy Van has arrived in Lego City. This cold drinks van really is cool. Ha ha ha. Pun intended, probably. Check out its eye-catching penguin design. Join the fun penguin suited vendor in the prep area. Slide open the windows to serve the thirsty customers with cold drink in 4 fruity flavors. Then jump behind the wheel and head to the next destination. Perfect. Okay, so let's open it up. And they're very cheap, these sets. Even here in Turkey they're cheap. So that's saying something. Really good value for money, especially for kids, I'd have thought. Not sure how popular the city stuff is with kids, but anyway, here we go. Managed to get that one free of itself very easily. And I do like these small sets. I mean, there was no stickers at all on the spaceship, and I don't really think there's going to be any on this either. Oh yes, there is. I lied. We have some stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 stickers in total. There's a sticker sheet. Okay. 5 plus has sticker sheets, 6 plus doesn't. Okay. Don't know where you're coming from there, Lego. Manual. Normal manual. I have a 3D build, so that's cool. Makes it so much easier. But yeah, so that's the manual. I'll put that to one side. 2 bags. And like I said, only 194 pieces, so it should not take too long. And let's put that down there. Open up bag 1. And chuck the pieces in there. Okay. 3D Builder app does help an awful lot when you're building stuff. Whether it be kids building or you building. Makes life so much easier. So I will now do speed build, and just need to mention, if you see me go like this, it's because I'm whistling and singing to songs that I play in the background. Okay, not because I'm crazy. I'm not crazy. Well, not that crazy anyway. Yeah, I'm whistling and singing because that's what I do. I don't know if I've mentioned it before. Maybe I should rename my channel The Brick Whistler, but whatever. That's what I'm doing, just to let you know I'm not completely mad. So I will start the speed build. Okay, finished. Nice, quick build. Oops. Okay, stand up, Penguin. God's sake. You're drunk, too many slushies. Right, anyway. Awesome. I love this. This was great fun to make. Got some playable features, of course. We have the Penguin, which I think he's really cool. I like him. Great fun, lovely colours, holding a slushie up. He's the vendor. Then we got the girl who's kind of like a little bit gobsmacked that she's got this blue slushie. She has got two faces, which I will just show you. There's that one with her smiling, and there's this one which I prefer. So yeah, she's good. She's got a nice little print, got some fruit on her vest top. That's cool. His print is like the slushy print, which is good. The vehicle itself, very cool. Details are awesome. Front of it's like a penguin, which is what it's supposed to be, I suppose. You have your lights here, windscreen. The bottle on top is really awesome. I love it. Stickers here and on here as well as like the menu. You have the same menu on the other side with the other sticker on the other side, and then on the back you've got the Penguin Slushy and the license plate number, which is cool. The lights, of course, again here. The front's got the lights on it, obviously the indicator and stuff. Now, what we can do is a couple of things. First of all, you can slide this open. Okay. You can also open this up, which is very nice, very cool. So you can put your minifig in, or if you want him driving, you can just take the roof off really easy, so he can go in there and sit down if he's driving to the next destination. So if you want to put him inside, you open up the window, you put him inside, really easy. A couple of studs in there for him to stand onto. Press him down, and there you go. There he is, serving his customers like a loyal little penguin slushy guy. And there's his customer walking away happy with her blue slushy. Great little set, love it. Kids love it, I'd love it. I loved it, it was awesome. So now I don't know if people will guess what I'm doing, but I'm going to put these two sets together, and I'm going to say, let me know in the comments what you think I'm going to do with these two sets. If you're a Fortnite player, Lego Fortnite player, you might know if you saw it. I know one person that will know, two people that will know what it is. But let's see if anybody else can guess what I'm going to try and do. I'll say try and do, okay? I'm not promising anything right now until I try. But anyway, thumbs up for this set. Really cool. Loved it. Loved the finish. Really enjoyed the build. Nice and simple. It's a Sunday afternoon. I built two Lego sets, and it's still only 3:30 in the afternoon. So awesome. Again, Beza from the Lego store. Thank you for my pirate. In case you missed the first video, it's awesome. I love it. So he's going to go over there. Okay, so there would have been photos, hopefully, if I remember. Hopefully I remember to do the chapters as well, because some people like the chapters. And if you could give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you want to subscribe for more content later, give it a like, comments, what do you think of it? Have you got this set? And also, what do you think I'm going to do with the two sets? See you next time. Thanks very much. I'm going to turn it off.